Hello, this is Imran at TorontoDowntownCondos.com, introducing Canary Park Townhomes, a real true legend in the making. 398 Front Street East and Cherry Street in the Corktown district. Gorgeous townhomes to call home with massive square footage. 2 bedrooms plus 10, 1,234 square feet for only $720,000. Open concept, totally integrated kitchens, walking distance to St. Lawrence Market and Distillery District. Use of condo amenities such as 24-hour concierge and security, gym, meeting room, party room, outdoor pool, lots of visitor parking. This is the best area in the making, a view of the party room and extension outdoor to the pool area. Email me, Imran at TorontoDowntownCondos.com. Text me with your email address at 416-670-6588 for further information. Thank you.